got it out. Front left dash speaker in a Jeep 4xe somewhere. It's doesn't say it. That's Grand Cherokee because it has a side mirror, side screen mirror thing. I don't know, but we're taking the dash speaker out. So with a tool, after I put everything back, this is typical of the Jeeps, how this dash design is set up. You see? Now, yours looks completely flat and flush, but with mine, I came across with this guy and worked my way all the way around, pulling up all these tabs, working around, and just sort of turning to pop this guy out. And the corners seem to be the worst because you still want to make sure you pull all the, you see? And just like the Jeeps, they will have one big huge piece of plastic going across. Now this puppy does have, Kitty, the Alpine system right here. So that means it also has a center channel. So we're gonna get that guy out with a tool such as this. Here's a Phillips head, and here's a 90-degree alongside a drill, which everything is in my links. And we worked our little magic just like we're going to show you with this one. Now, I didn't take this off because this wonderful wire is attached all the way down into the dash. So you got to get this guy out and work your way and pull all these little wires. So if you can avoid that, it's up to you. I know you're not going to scratch the dash with plastic on plastic, but if you're really rough, as some people do like to be rough, I would not suggest it. If it was you, but it's not you, it's me, I'm going to get my drill around it, you see? I have full access to it, and it's sitting right here. So do I have to do it? I probably have to do it on that side. So when I get to that side, yeah, I think we're going to have to undo this whole wire, but it just sits in a channel. Like it just pops out. Like, you see? It just pops out of a channel. That's all it is. Now, it's going to suck putting it back because, Jeep just used tape. Thanks, Jeep. We're going to use tape just so it doesn't fall into the dash. But you get the idea, if you can see that. You see those three little prongs, like little feet? The wire sits in between that. And then it goes like this. You see? Silly. But I'm gonna demonstrate on this one because I want to see what this one is, because I already got this one out. And this one is, they're probably all gonna be the same, dude. They're all gonna be the same. Like 2.5, 3.5, 2.5, maybe 3.5. I'll try to put a link in the description. So I think they're the same, right? Am I Looney Tunes here? Yeah, they're the same. So you got 3 of them. So I'll put a link if I can find them. Even little harnesses if I can find them. And they're probably they're typical of Dodge. Probably the same cheap Dodge harnesses you've seen in God knows how long. The same ones. So I'll do my homework, but yeah, I had to get screws out using that puppy, and we're gonna show you how to put it back. And we always start by hand. Always start by hand. And you get the idea. You can do the rest, right? You're the one who came this far. So like it, don't like it, share it, don't share it, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.